This is spaghetti carbonara. It's another one of the great Roman pastas with only 5 ingredients. The great thing about this dish is that its base is the cacio e pepe, but in this case I add egg yolks and guanciale and it becomes carbonara. So in the pan I have guanciale cooking till it's crispy. We have pasta water boiling. I'm not going to salt the water in this case because the rest of the ingredients are pretty salty. So let's just add the pasta to the water and let it do its thing for 8 to 10 minutes. You know, I like to describe this dish as bacon and eggs in a bowl. In America, we love bacon, eggs, and cheese on a roll. I call it bacon, eggs, and cheese in a bowl. And then we're gonna make the cremina. We're gonna mix egg yolk with Pecorino Romano. So you pre-mix this and you almost pre-emulsify it in the bowl. And then later on, I'm gonna add the hot pasta. And then we'll top it with the cooked pork product. So the reason carbonara is a little bit tricky is because it's a room temperature emulsion of raw eggs, and most people have a hard time understanding how raw eggs work in a sauce. But if you've ever made mayonnaise or hollandaise, you've made a raw egg emulsion. I know there's all kinds of controversy about eating eggs raw. Like, just if you're worried about that, don't make this dish. Okay, this is not the dish for you. Because this pasta is not going to be finished in a pan with a sauce made of water, but a sauce made of fat and cheese. It's got to be almost fully cooked when you take it out of the water. And then this is where the magic trick of carbonara happens. The water and this little egg yolk mixture come together in this bowl. And I like to use the bowl because it's very forgiving. And the idea is you mix it very quickly before eggs have a chance to cook. It gets too thick, add a little more water. Here we go. And this is what carbonara should look like. It should be a thick, eggy looking sauce, pecorino, and black pepper. And in this case, you're looking for black pepper to be one of the seasonings, not a major player. Fresh is always best. Okay, let's plate this up. Pecorino on top, a little black pepper, some guanciale. My favorite way to describe this dish is it's bacon, eggs, and cheese in a bowl. It's your favorite breakfast sandwich, but turned into pasta. It is spaghetti, or your favorite pasta. It is guanciale or pancetta, and it is Pecorino Romano, all mixed together in a delightful combination. Yeah, people seem to be obsessed with it.